Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be doing a drop test on the Motorola C139. This one doesn't have a back or battery, but we'll try our best on drop test. We're probably going to skip the backdrop, maybe, we'll see. Let's go and do the backdrop just for the hell of it. In 3, 2, 1. There was this little spot that could be hit. And it did pretty good. Let's go ahead and do the side drop. Like I said, this phone's actually in really good shape, but it's a track phone and I don't have the SIM card for it, so I guess we're started. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, and that hit maybe right there. Bounced on that corner. And really doing pretty good, guys. Let's go and do the face down. This pixel does not like to focus. There we go. In 3, 2, 1. So picking it up. Once again, guys, it's really good shape still. Let's go and do the throw test. We're going to throw this one really high. It just does not want to. It just really is still pretty good shape for what it's been through. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. That was a high one, it hit on the corner. It still looks really good, guys. We'll see how it did when we get home. I can put a battery in it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.